Once upon a time, in the peaceful land of Earth, there was a young boy named Goku. He had a monkey tail, loved to train, and was the strongest fighter around. But one day, something exciting happened. Goku was invited to enter the most famous tournament in the world, the World Martial Arts Tournament. It all started when Goku was training in the mountains. He was practicing his Kamehameha wave when a loud voice interrupted him. It was his good friend, Krillin. Goku, you won't believe it. There's a martial arts tournament coming up, and they want you to enter, said Krillin. Goku scratched his head. A tournament? He asked. What's that? Krillin laughed. It's a big competition where the best fighters from all over the world come to battle. You could become the champion. Goku's eyes sparkled. He loved fighting and learning new things, so he excitedly agreed to enter the tournament with Krillin, and they both set off to the tournament grounds. When they arrived, the tournament was already buzzing with excitement. Fighters from all over the world were there, and Goku could see strong and fierce warriors everywhere. But he didn't feel nervous. He just wanted to have fun and learn. The first round of the tournament started, and Goku was up against a big, tough fighter named Nam. Nam looked serious, but Goku just smiled and got ready for the match. I don't know how strong you are, but I will do my best, Goku said, and with that the fight began. Nam tried to use powerful moves, but Goku was too quick with his super speed and strength. Goku dodged every punch and kicked his way to victory. Nam smiled and nodded in respect, and Goku moved on to the next round. As Goku made his way through the rounds, he faced tougher and tougher opponents. But there was one fighter who caught his eye, a mysterious man named Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan was an older fighter, but he was incredibly strong and fast. Goku knew this would be his toughest match yet. When the two faced off in the final round, and crowd went wild. Wow, you're really strong. I hope I can win, but I will give it everything I have got, Goku said. Jackie Chan smiled. That's the spirit, Goku. Let's see what you can do. The battle was fierce. Jackie Chan was fast, and Goku had to use all of his skills to keep up. He jumped high in the air, flipped, and unleashed powerful kicks and punches. Jackie Chan was strong, but Goku's heart was even stronger. He wasn't fighting just to win, he was fighting to learn. After a long, intense battle, both fighters were exhausted. Finally, Jackie Chan landed a perfect move, knocking Goku to the ground. The crowd held its breath as Goku struggled to get up. But Goku smiled and stood up. I did my best, he said, shaking off the dust. Jackie Chan looked at him with a proud smile. You're a great fighter, Goku. But the true victory isn't just in winning the fight. It's in never giving up and always learning. You have got a big heart, and that will make you the strongest of all. Goku grinned. Thanks, Jackie. That was a great fight. I will keep training so I can get even stronger. Even though Goku didn't win the tournament, he left the arena with a big smile on his face. He had made new friends, learned important lessons. From that day on, Goku never stopped training, never stopped learning, and never stopped smiling. His journey was only beginning, and with his friends by his side, there was no limit to what could do. So, hope you like the story. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.